I'm gonna make sure we get right into this. Let's do it.
Holy shit, that's Chris from Kenya. Shit.
Hey, he's about it, he waved. Miss. Just a moment of your time. How are you feeling today? Excellent. Thank you for your interview. Is that a 2016 Mark 7 GTI? You got the PF01s, brother? Jenny likes when I buy her stuff. Jenny, I bought you something nice. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris, and we're building my Mark 7 GTI on the channel. We go fast, have a good time, all that stuff doesn't matter. If you haven't seen, we are doing a Vortex XL build on the GTI. I'll link all the videos, bink, somewhere up here. You can go watch the whole thing. I am sad to inform you, this is not the first start video, as you can see by the thumbnail. Believe me, I'm as mildly not patient as you can imagine. All right, okay, we'll just get that out of the way. Okay, so I'm literally waiting on sensors and the base map tune. The base map, if I just get that, I can start it. The sensors, you can only tune up to 29 PSI. We know all that, all right? I'm just gonna skip all the bullshit. Today's video, which is interesting, remember how we put in the Catless downpipe and I was like, hey, you know, it's gonna shoot flames again, but I put in the shitty downpipe that I had that was extra, and I was like, I didn't think that there was an option from ARM Motorsports for a Catless downpipe. I was wrong. I literally messaged them after somebody in the comments said that, like, hey, they actually do make one, which I didn't realize it was Catless. I thought they only made the catted downpipes. Messaged them, I was like, hey, do you guys make this? And they were like, yeah, dumbass, of course we do. We'll send you one. I am proud to say, ARM Motorsports hooking it up again. Absolutely hooking it up for your boy. Let's get into this. With this being said, I know this sucks, okay? I know I can't start the car. I know I just did a downpipe video. I get all of that, but this is brand new. This looks fantastic. You know, the show must go on. So today, we're gonna get everything buttoned up, and I'm telling you right now, because it's pissing me off just as much as you guys, this is the last video. When the sensors come in, that's gonna be the first start. We'll install them because it takes 2 seconds. We'll put them in, and then that'll be the first start. I'm not doing the whole like, oh, putting in the sensors video. Nobody gives a shit about that, all right? And I don't either. So we're gonna put in this brand new ARM Motorsports Catless downpipe, excuse me, and then we'll get everything buttoned up and we'll get ready to go. And then, and only then, hopefully, this week we'll have the base map tune, and then at the very least, we can get a start. I'll throw the GoPro on and we'll do like the good old days. Let's do an install video, baby. Did you think I was leaving? No, just moving the door. Cute. Oh, it's fresh, brother, fresh. Oh, what do we have here, Mr. Beauregard? God, they always hook it up. Look at that. Lanyard.
I just want to say this right now. Big shout to ARM Motorsports. They have been one of my main supporters throughout my creative process on this channel here. But like, how can you beat this? I'm not even, and I know like, oh, they're working with you, you know, you're gonna say good things, whatever. Obviously, look at this. This is literally 400 bucks. How can you beat that? Just look at this downpipe. Look at the quality. 1, you're getting V-bands. 2, look at the welds, brother. 3, look at the quality. You were getting a welded stainless downpipe. I understand it's catless. The catted option, I believe, is like 500 or something like that. But just look at this. Oh, this looks so fresh. I'm stoked. I'm stoked. So now we have a straight up fresh setup. Turbo back besides the catback. That's sick. Do I not want to change this again? That is correct. I absolutely don't want to. Are we gonna do it? Let's go. All right, let's do this pit crew style. Let's see how fast we can do this. I got everything buttoned up. As you guys can see, I got rid of that goofy blue boost line that I had, the little tester thing. Everything is tidied up. I had one issue. This coil pack bolt stripped out, unfortunately. Not bad enough that it tore all the shit, but bad enough that I'm just kind of setting it in there. So I'm gonna have to drill that and use like a helicoil insert or something. But other than that, that is literally it. I'm gonna get a turbo blanket, a couple little heat shrink line kind of things, but we are ready to do a downpipe. And the best part about this is it has a cap with it. I know that seems stupid and everybody takes it out to put an O2 sensor in it, but if you're tuned by EQT, you don't run this sensor, so I can literally do a little thread lock on that, and literally, boom, problem solved. Now I don't have to put that O2 sensor in there, and I don't have to leave the wire unplugged. It can just be gone altogether. That's dope. Things are looking up, boys, because I've had a rough morning so far. I know, baby. We'll get you off these jack stands someday. Oh, it's just gonna, it's gonna sound so good. Oh God, the pavement's so hot. Oh God. Oh God. Make it stop. Just like that. A little extra stability because we're at an angle, if you will. You know, if I did the smart thing, I would have done my research about ARM Motorsports making a catless downpipe before I installed this downpipe. Therefore, and only limited to, not installing another one. But that's all right. Is this a 6 or a 5? I think it's a 6. Of course I put thread locker on top of here too. Oh, golly gee, that is funny. Oh, we're chilling. V-band. Off. Bolt. Hole not big enough. Bolt. Stay. Pad. Bolt. Tools. Stay. Ah, the bee's down here. Leave me alone. Oh, imagine this bee stays down here, bro. It's gonna make this problematic. Because if you sting me, I might have a pretty bad meltdown. That's not gonna be a good look for you, bud. It's almost like we were just here. She should be chilling. I gotta go unhook from up top. I'll be back. I'm back. Are you guys having a good time? Because I am. Dude, I got so many downpipes. Real nice one for you, bud. Oh, yeah. The key to doing a downpipe is definitely struggling. If you're not struggling, you're probably doing it wrong. Did I tell you to come out and play? Sir? Need you to chill out. Trust me when I tell you, don't piss me off. Today's not the day. In case you guys haven't been able to tell by my medium amounts of stress, I've had quite a morning, all right? You know why those came out so easy? Other than the fact that we did a downpipe 4 days ago? Never see. Don't forget. That way. Letters down. That's right. I'm gonna do this the hardest way possible. It's the only option. Really what you want to do is you want to bang everything around as much as possible. That way you scratch everything. Otherwise you might seize an opportunity to, you know, scratch something. Really? Yeah. Alright, now you've done it. Now I'm gonna do something stupid. You know, this can all easily be avoided if I just stop being a idiot and take this brace off. Nope, we're committed. We're doing it. The brace stays. I'll just take the brace off. Come on out, bud. It's safe. You're just gonna want to let go up there. If I have to get out and grab that O2 sensor, yeah, you're gonna want to just come off, bud. Thank you. Holy, oh no! This is why I never made it on the pit crew. It's got to be the reason. I've applied so many times. This way. This way. All right, now let's actually, now that I have something nice, do this safely. You're good, you're good, you're good. Doing some goddamn yoga. I got the cap put in with a little bit of never sees on it. Oh God, okay. Whew. Okay, I'll go hook her up top. Yeah, I know. Oopsies. Yeah, I know. It's not a big deal. #1 reach around. I'm your guy. #1 in state. Go down there and hit the like button for your boy. Again, I'm gonna keep apologizing because this isn't a first start video. You know what's genuinely one of the cooler parts about doing this? Is like, never in a lifetime did young Chris think that, I don't know, people have always like raced cars, like all of our friends and shit have had race cars and shit like that. What I'm saying is I've always been involved with things that I'm doing right now, and I've grown up into it, but never did I think I'd be working with the companies that like produce the parts. And I don't know, I'm not trying to sound corny, but isn't it crazy that I'm putting videos on the internet and I'm just like a little walking billboard for these guys and making these cool relationships with guys I've never even met before? And I don't know, it's pretty sweet. It's insane to me sometimes. It's kind of a trip. I'm literally just building a Volkswagen GTI, learning myself while also like helping other people along the way, helping companies grow, small companies. Remember to do it while you like to do it, and don't add in all the bullshit of, I don't know. There's a level of working with people and people taking advantage of you. You gotta be able to see the difference. That's my life advice for you. They want you to change who you are and what you're doing. You don't need them. Tight, 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 tight. Let's go! Go down there and like the video before I hit traffic. Boys, we're almost done. We just got to get wrapped up, tighten up the top end over here, and just like that, yet again, another successful downpipe install video. Keep the box for thumbnail purposes, YouTube things. Oh, dude, they hooked it up fat. Absolutely a W. Oh, the old peel and pop. Dude, keychains, stickers, air freshener. Oh my God. Oh wait, it's going on the wall of fame. For those who don't know, only companies I support go on this window. Big supporter of myself, in case you're wondering. Oh, she's complete. Seriously though, shout out to ARM Motorsports. You guys are the mans. It is crazy to me that I have these kinds of opportunities because of that thing right there. That's what's really crazy to me. Pretty wild, boys, pretty wild. Your boy lives in the middle of nowhere in Vermont. Now we got blow pops. What can I say? We're leveling up. Holy shit, are we done? Why did it seem like even though I struggled for 20 minutes, it was still kind of fast? I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Again, I know, it sucks. It is what it is. Big shout out to ARM Motorsports. You guys are the man. You boys out. The next video is the first start. I hope you guys are excited. Go down there and let me know if you're excited, because we're all very impatiently waiting. So anyway, your boys out. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. We got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I do is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees. I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young Betty Wiz. You was a part of the game.